Good morning and welcome to A Journey Through My Brain, a show that is going to be hopefully informative and kind of stretch your imagination, kind of like it stretches my imagination every day. The projects I work on, the fun that I have in the studio here, kind of my electronics workshop, kind of the little projects that I enjoy doing. I'm going to be kind of sharing them with you along the way. I'm going to show you the hardships I have with them, the successes I have, and just the overall process that I have for creating new things, exploring, learning the world, learning science, learning electronics, learning computers, networking. There's going to be multiple different things that we're going to explore. As I said, science, computers, networking, photography, whatever I can think of. That's why it's called A Journey Through My Brain. Because if I think of it, I may actually do a show on it. Now, not all the science is going to work. Not all the electronics are going to work. In fact, every once in a while, if I'm doing some electronics, I may let some smoke out of the components. That's the fun part about it, learning, experimenting, and just kind of having fun. But I want to take you along the journey. Hopefully you can learn something from my mistakes or from my successes. Things, ideas, concepts that might be on the fringe of knowledge. Why not? Some things would be like, oh, that doesn't work. I may even pull things from YouTube, from other videos, other places I've seen things and say, does this truly work? Does this not work? Let's experiment. That is what A Journey Through My Brain is all about. It is a new show to explore me, how I'm thinking, and the world around us. Now, you know very little of me. My name is Paul. I have been kind of an experimenter and a tinkerer ever since I was knee-high to my grandpa. We worked many, many years out of his basement, kind of exploring. He'd show me things, fascinating things that I learned, how to put electrical components together, make things work, even if it was a simple flashing light, a flasher, or a radio that would get working. Just kind of, what can we do with this? And that's the way I'm going to run this. Kind of, what can we do? My grandpa was also an explorer. He did things just to do things, just say he did it. Yeah, I remember him talking about a telescope that he built. Hand polished the mirrors. Took him 3 years with a couple of his buddies. But he learned how to do it. And he did it well. And when he was done, he was able to donate the telescope, which was a high-quality telescope, to a school. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to sit there and hand polish the mirrors, the glass for a telescope. There are different techniques nowadays, and I kind of modernize some of my processes. But I want to explore, and I want to bring you guys along with that journey. Now, I have set up a computer lab here that I use on a virtual computer. So I've got a server running, I've got Ubuntu platforms running. I'm going to explore more computers, more Ubuntu platforms, kind of maybe set up web servers, email servers, file servers. Kind of automate the process of my home. Why not? Why not build something that I can build, put into use, have access to, and not pay somebody else to do? And I want to teach you along the way. As I said, my name is Paul. I've been a tinkerer all my life. I did get formal training in electronics. I became a biomedical equipment technician in 2006 already. And so I've been working in the medical electronics field for over 15 years. And I have enjoyed it. I'm learning how to repair medical equipment, to support doctors and nurses. I've been in and out of operating rooms during surgeries, while helping maintain equipment, keeping it running. I've been in respiratory departments. I've been all over the hospital in general patient care. I want to bring some of my knowledge to you, kind of exploring the world together. So that's what a journey through my brain is all about. Exploring, learning. Whether I'm successful or not, that doesn't make a difference, as long as we have fun along the way. I hope you join me. I'm still working out my schedule. I do work full-time, besides working here in the studio. So I'm still debating, am I able to do this weekly, bi-weekly, monthly? I think my goal to start out with is probably bi-weekly, maybe every couple weeks, putting out a new video. I've even considered just doing a live stream every couple weeks because, you know, why take the time to sit there and edit videos? I want you to see raw what I do, the experiments, the process, the failures, the not so good things. You know, why not? We sit there and watch videos on YouTube or anywhere else and say, you know what, that looks pretty good. You know, I could do that. But you don't know the painstaking process behind it. How many takes did it take to get that video just right? I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for education. And I want to show you that there's a lot that goes into a process of creating something, even if it is a video. Yes, we'll get into videos, we'll get into electronics, we'll get into photography. Why not? It's a journey through my brain, and I have a lot of interests. And I hope you come along on this journey with me. I'll talk to you soon. Take care, and we'll see you next time.